Array of structure. Array of structure because array are variable only, so we can always have array of structure as we have array of variable. Why we would we require it? See, if we have 10 elements, it's okay. We can make 10 structure variable. But if 100 books are there, 1000 books are there, we cannot make B1 to B100 these number of structure variable. It will be very inconvenient for us. So the best idea is to use the array of structures. Let us see this program. This is using the array of structure. So inside main we have created a struct. This is name, price and pages, and then we have a struct which is the type, but we have defined, or you can say declare, an array of 100 size. This is an array. Now from 0 to 99, because this is what the first one will be B0, the first book, second will be B1, and likewise till B99. So now here we can enter the different values for each and every book, say name, price and pages. And now how to access this? The same way we access the array. So we have a subscript here. Bi means B1 dot name, B1 dot pages, B1 dot price, like this. So this is how we print also. So in this program we have to see that array of structure is declared like this, struct book B100. So it gives you the space for 100 structure, and the syntax we use to reference each element of B is similarly the way we treat integer and character arrays. For example, the 0th book will be, the price of 0th book will be B0 price, and the first book page number will be B1 dot pages. And this is very good because Dennis Ritchie has really given us this array of structure which makes our life quite easier. And the storage where these array of structures are stored, array of structure are stored, all elements of array, they are stored in adjacent memory location. Where? Adjacent memory location. So first B0 content will be there, 3 content, then B1. So this is name, price, page for B0, name, price, page for B1, like this.